Super unboxing reviews. I got a package in the mail from eBay from Francisco Rodriguez. I can't remember what I got, but I'm about to unwrap it for you. I see in all the other unboxings and everything, people use knives and stuff. I really see no need for that, so I'm just gonna use my hands. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. This is quick shipping. Okay, this is an Biotouch Biotouch 200. It's a fingerprint scanner to lock your computer or anything. It's got the USB on the other side. I ordered this about 3 days ago for $7.49. It's pretty nice. But it did not come with software, and it does not work without software. Yeah, so that's my unboxing. I will make another video to review this item. If anybody knows where to get like a free software download for this device, it's the Biotouch USB 200 made by Identix. If anybody knows where to get the software for this, could you please leave me a comment or email me at superunboxingreviews@gmail.com. Thank you.